AI is moving fast, and in 3D, it is everywhere now. Faster renders, quicker results, and more automation. And a lot of it looks great. But the real question is whether it actually helps you work better. Because speed doesn't mean much if you lose control, or if it doesn't fit into your workflow. That's where a lot of tools fall apart. They can give you something fast, but not something you can build upon. At the end of the day, you're not just generating images, you're building characters and getting them ready for animation. That's when AI starts to matter, when it helps you move faster without getting in the way. And this is what makes Reallusion's direction for 2026 really interesting. It is not just about AI, it is about improving the full pipeline, from character creation to animation to rendering, and everything else in between. So here are some of the things which you can expect from Reallusion in 2026. This video is sponsored by Reallusion, so stick till the end of the video to learn about a discount available through our channel. Reallusion's next wave of updates is right around the corner, and with it comes a lot of new additions across their tools. Some might even be out by the time this video is published. We are looking at things like RTX rendering, updates to facial animation with AccuFace 2, improvements to character deformation, and some early features coming with iClone 9. So let's start with an exciting one. RTX rendering is finally coming to iClone 8 and Character Creator 5. And honestly, this is a big one. The main idea is pretty simple. You're getting much better visual quality without having to wait forever for renders. Lighting looks better, materials look better, and characters just feel more realistic overall. But the real benefit is how it fits into your workflow. Instead of doing a render, waiting, tweaking, and repeating, you can see those changes almost instantly and adjust things on the fly. You also get more control over things, lighting and atmosphere, so it is easier to dial in the look you're going for without jumping between tools. So yeah, it is not just about nicer visuals, it should actually make the whole process a lot smoother. Next, Headshot 3. By the time you're seeing this video, this one is gonna be out already. This is a pretty big upgrade for character creation. Reallusion trained a new AI model specifically for turning images into accurate 3D hats, and the focus here is really on likeness. It is better at rendering facial structure, depth, and all those small details from a photo, so the result is closer to the actual person instead of just a rough match. On top of that, they added a bunch of tools to refine things properly. You can generate base images from texture prompts or optimize your source photo with AI by neutralizing facial expressions, balancing lighting, removing stray hairs, and upscaling source images to 4K. And Headshot 3 introduces facial presets to enhance depth and capture subtle traits. Then go in and adjust the head shape using Bezier controls to get a closer match from both the front and the side. There is also built-in lens correction to deal with distortion photos, and texture tools that can clean up shadows and lighting so you can get a proper base to work from. And for even more accuracy, it can use full body images to keep proportions consistent, which helps a lot if you're trying to build a believable digital double. So overall, it is not just about generating a head, it is about getting something much closer to the real person, and then having the tools to push it the rest of the way. Another one is AccuFace 2, which is getting a solid upgrade, especially with the new HD facial setup in Character Creator 5. Reallusion updated the tracking system so it works more accurately with these characters. It is supposed to pick up much smaller facial movements and more detailed lip sync, so expressions and dialogue feel a lot more natural. But the bigger thing is reliability. Instead of constantly fixing your capture, you should be getting clean results from the start, which saves you a lot of time. It also works with both live webcam input and recorded video, so you're not just locked into one setup. And when you combine that with body motion capture, you can handle both face and full performance inside the same workflow without needing to jump between different tools. On the character creation side, there is a pretty useful addition coming with the new wrapping tools. This is supposed to let you take almost any 3D model or piece of clothing and convert it into standard character creator topology, so you can actually use it for any CC features like morph or even animation without rebuilding everything from scratch. Once it is in that format, it plugs straight into the whole CC and iClone ecosystem, meaning you can rig it, animate it, and use all the existing tools on it right away. You can also generate outfits from image references, and it handles the skin weighting automatically, which can save you a lot of setup time. So instead of spending hours prepping assets, you can get them ready to use much faster and keep things moving. The next upcoming update is Joint Creative Morph. One thing most people run into with character animation is how quickly things can break once you push a pose too far. You bend an arm, twist a shoulder, or stretch something a bit too much, and suddenly the mesh starts collapsing or looking unnatural. And that's where Joint Corrective Morphs, or GCM, come in. This feature focuses on fixing those problem areas by improving how the body deforms during movement. So instead of basic corrections, it is designed to give you more natural muscle behavior and keep everything holding together properly. So when you're working with more extreme poses or complex motion, the character should stay believable, without you having to constantly fix those issues by hand. Another big addition coming from Reallusion is AI Studio, and this one feels like a real shift in how production can work. The idea is simple, but really powerful, so you can take your 3D previs from tools like iClone or Character Creator, and AI Studio transforms it into a photorealistic or fully stylized renders, both images and videos. What really stands out here is consistency. Anyone who has worked with AI rendering knows how difficult it is to keep a character looking the same across multiple shots. With the AI Actor Creator, Reallusion is aiming to solve that directly, keeping your character stable while still delivering natural performances and dialogue. It also keeps you in control. It uses your original motion data, camera work, and scene setup as a guide. So the final AI output still reflects your direction rather than guessing everything from scratch. And importantly, this is powered through Reallusion's cloud services, so you are not relying entirely on high-end local hardware. This means faster turnaround, less technical overhead, and a much smoother pipeline overall. So instead of choosing between fast previs or high-quality final renders, AI Studio is trying to bridge that gap, and it gives you both in one workflow. So subscribe and drop a like so you don't miss it when we test it out. And looking ahead to iClone 9, things start getting really interesting. It is not just focused on human characters anymore. You can take pretty much any model, give it a skeleton, and bring it into the animation pipeline. Motion retargeting also looks more flexible, so if your characters share a similar setup, you should be able to transfer animations between them without too many issues. You've also got more control with custom rigs, in addition to support for things like squash and stretch if you want to push the animation a bit further. And on the physics side, there is a better handling for things like secondary motion and collisions, which should help things feel more natural without a ton of manual work. So overall, it looks like a step toward more flexibility in how you animate and what you can work with, but we will have to see how it actually performs once it is out. So if you want to try all this out as it rolls in, you can subscribe to Reallusion 3D Suite 365 or Character Creator 365 Pro. This gives you access to the full feature updates without having to buy them separately. There is also a link below with 30% off your first month, or even the full year if you want to commit to it. And there you have it, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel to receive more videos. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.